Welcome to our review on using light. First thing we need to understand then is that light has actually been used as a form of communication for many years. So we could go back to smoke signals being sent, obviously using light, because without light we couldn't see the smoke signals. You can go back to when they used to flash, obviously beacons and so forth. So light's actually been around for a very long time as a form of communication. And what we're actually looking at there is basically an early form of a digital signal. And the way that we actually used this to transfer information from one place to another very quickly was through using this process of Morse code. So Morse code is just a series of flashes that represent different letters and numbers. And that then means that you're obviously sending little flashes from one side, and someone quite some distance away is able to watch and then translate that little series of flashes into whatever message you're trying to send. One of the uses of light we have these days is in lasers. Now, lasers are slightly different to things like a torch because they produce a narrow beam of light that doesn't spread out much as it travels, and that they're also made up of one colour of light. So that's why we tend to have either a red laser, a blue laser, a green laser. It's because they're only made of that one colour of light. So what we find is that we've got a whole variety of different uses of laser these days. So we can use them in surgical and dental treatments, we can use them to guide weapons, we can use them to play information from CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, and also for cutting materials as well. So if you've got some thick piece of metal that needs cutting, we can use a laser to do that.